welcome back to my channel, Meekness Natural Hair and Wig City, where I do hair tricks and tips. As you can see how healthy my hair is now, that wasn't the condition before until I discovered how to use my rice water. Okay, if you really want to know, the only product I use right now on my hair is just rice water and some oils. I do not use any other thing for now, and it has been amazing. So if you want to avoid the mistakes I made using rice water and also grow your hair using it, then you want to stay tuned to the end, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, before I use my rice water, I wash my hair before. Like this, my hair is the braid I used to make my crochet, so I did not take it down. I just washed the hair and came in, used my rice water, as you can see, spray on my hair, massage it. I make sure I massage it because massaging your hair also stimulates hair growth. I do not just pour it on my hair because I do not want these flakes to pile up on my hair. Alright, rice water contains amino acid, like you all have known from my previous video, and this amino acid helps to strengthen the roots of our hair. It also contains this carbohydrate called inositol. This inositol helps prevent damage, it prevents breakage, and it also prevents further damage. But whatever is good also has its bad side, and the bad side here is that rice water can dry up your hair because of its protein overload, and when it dries up your hair, it's just going to break it out. So when it dries out your hair, it can lead to breakage. It's going to break all your hair out. So what's the gain of using rice water if it's just going to break out your hair? And don't forget that the young women who we are modeling after have straight hair, and straight hair are stronger than than coily hairs. So you want to be careful while using yours. Okay, guys, don't forget that rice water also contains vitamin E, vitamin B, and all that vitamin. So I think you don't have to use rice water only for your hair. You can use it for other things. Alright, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe because it promises you amazing content, amazing content. And also, if you haven't watched my video where I made this rice water, then you want to go to my description box because I'm going to be leaving the link there. All right, guys, thank you so much. I really love you all. Bye.